Hello friends, I'm Maggie from Little Maggie Shop, and today we will be making these beautiful miniature books with you. These are the covers, they are so beautiful, and these are the pages that we will use to fill our books. In the description of this video you will find the free digital sheet to print the books and craft along with me. I am so excited to have you here. Thank you everyone for the support. If you are new here, please subscribe for more DIY content. And if you are a miniature artist or dollhouse enthusiast, I would love to see you around. Now, a big surprise. I will make a giveaway when I create these books. I will send them for free to 5 of you who put a comment down below which scale they prefer. So write in the comments whether you would like 1/12 scale or 1/6 scale for your dollhouse, and I will select in a completely random order 5 of you that I will send you a mini package full of books for your dollhouse. It will be my pleasure to make it for you. Thank you, so let's get started. First, download the digital sheet located in my Google Drive. You will find a link for it in the description down below. It's worth mentioning that these books are in 1/12 scale. When you open the file, you may notice that the first page includes the covers, while the rest of the pages contain pages for the mini books. I will print the first page of the document on cardstock paper, while the rest I will print on regular printer paper. Select File, Print, then Selection in the preview to print only the first page. Ensure printing color is turned on. Next, select the paper size you will use. I will use A4, but if you are in the USA, you need to select US letter size. Next, let's talk a bit about the scale. Usually I print my files at 100 scale, but today I will print these books at 90% as my dollhouse library is slightly smaller than usual. For media quality, I leave it at the default setting, normal. Then click Print. The covers are super sharp and bright, I love them. Next, I am loading my printer with normal printer paper. I open the file again, and this time I select only the pages. Click on the second page of the document, then hold the Shift key and click on the last page of the document. Go to File, Print, click on Selection in Preview and check that all the pages are selected. For double-sided printing, make sure this option is off. For scale, you must select the same scale as the covers. As I selected 90% scale for the covers, I will enter the same percentage here. Then click Print. The pages came out great, and they are even readable. I am very excited to show you my dollhouse. This dollhouse was made out of a cardboard box, so it is not perfect, but I love it. My toddlers also enjoy it very much. I have 2 kitchens on the first floor because my husband gifted me the second one with this Sylvanian family set. I find it super cute, so I moved the living room and library to the 3rd floor.
On the second floor, I have a kids' room, a bathroom, and a master bedroom. On the third floor, there is the library. The books I've used are the same books that we will make today, and here is a pantry or a storage room. Now let's talk again about scale. If I had printed this sheet at 100%, the finished box would be approximately this size, which I find a bit large for my dollhouse. You must be aware that just as there are different human book sizes, there are also slightly different sizes when it comes to miniatures. So knowing how to rescale your file using your printer settings is essential to achieving the result you want. First, we will start by tracing the lines where we will fold the pages. That way, we can fold all the pages much faster and more precisely. Next, cut around the pages. Before cutting them into individual rows, fold the pages accordion style. The first page should be facing up. Next, smooth them out with your hands and cut into individual rows. Now, you will fold each row quickly. Each row is intended to fit into one book cover. Apply glue to the appropriate side of the pages and glue them to the spine of the book cover. I use big craft glue for wooden paper for all my projects. You may use small pegs or a heavy object to hold the book in place until it is dry. Make as many books as you need. I am so happy to share this file with you. I hope you enjoy it as much as I did. Don't forget to participate in my giveaway. I have so many books to share with you. Leave a comment down below to participate. I intend to select one winner every month until the end of May. You just need to leave a comment indicating which scale you prefer, 1/3, 1/6 or 1/12 scale. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more free content. Visit my Etsy store for more digital files for your dollhouse. Bye!